thank you for your question. It is a wonderful, wonderful question. I think in some communities, in some towns, in some parts of the world, people still care about the color of another person's skin. But we should think about it. We're one people, we're one family. We all are sisters and brothers. We all need help. We all need support. And we all are loved by our family, by our mothers and our fathers, our sisters and our brothers. So we need to forget about the color of our skin. Just be real, be human. Okay? Thank you very much.